let's go over the glute bridge abduction. This is a really nice drill to kind of just teach your client or yourself how to open up the knees while they're doing the hip hinge motion, particularly in a bridge. This can translate to like a standing hinge as well, but this is probably best for most glute exercises. I'm going to take a band. You want it to be hard enough that you feel your glutes, but not so heavy that it's pulling your knees in and you can't do the exercise correctly. So make sure it's not too heavy, not too light. I'm going to get into a really good glute bridge position. So you don't want to be completely flat on your back. You want to work your way up to the top of your shoulders. I'm going to not sag my hips. I'm going to brace my core nice and tight like so. I'm going to squeeze my hips in. Deep breath like so. And I'm going to start at the bottom position first. I like crossing my arms. If you need help, you can always put your hands here for stability. I'm going to take my hips. I'm going to bridge them up in an angle. Once I'm at the top position, I'm going to open my knees nice and wide like so. I'm going to kind of go off to the side of my shoe before I bring it back in. And I hinge my hips towards my heels, okay? So I'm going to do my glute bridge, bring my hips up at an angle first. Then I'm going to open up my knees, pushing through the band, nice and controlled before bringing it back down. Few mistakes. You don't want to go stomach first when you do your bridge. This is a really common. You'll go stomach first and the hips will be behind. This is going to put a lot of strain on your back. So you want to engage your core. Make sure you're going up as one unit, like so, before you open up your knees. Thank you all so much for joining me. We'll see you next time. Oh, it's okay. Thank you all so much for joining me. We'll see you next time.